It's a mess out there as we track this holiday storm moving across Southern California. I'm Keith Bryant, and I'm a meteorologist, and I keep up with the weather so you don't have to, keeping up with the forecast. Now, here's an update to my forecast from yesterday. We are tracking that atmospheric river, and it's already pumping heavy rain across Southern California from Ventura, San Bernardino, LA, and Orange counties. Now, we have seen storm reports of localized flooding. We've seen some people get into accidents because, again, the roads are slippery. And with this intensity of rain, that can cause the potential for hydroplaning. That's why I'm saying you don't want to travel today because the roads are going to be slippery, slick, and there could be ponding on the roads. So just keep that in mind and be weather aware. But also, we are tracking strong winds with the storm, especially in our mountain and valley communities. I mean, earlier today, around 10:30 a.m. this morning, the National Weather Service did issue a tornado warning for the San Gabriel Valley area near Monterey Park, Alhambra, and South Pasadena because they picked up something up there on their radar of a rotation that may have happened. But since that warning has since expired, but the National Weather Service will still investigate because in Southern California, sometimes we get EF0 tornadoes. Now, we're not in Tornado Alley, but because of these storms, they're so strong they can produce that rotation. Sometimes we do get tornadoes here, and usually they're EF0 tornadoes. Now, an EF0 tornado is usually classified between wind gusts between 65 to 85 miles per hour. So the National Weather Service is going to investigate that area to see if a tornado spawned after the fact, after the storm. In terms of rain totals, we're already seeing rain totals between 1 to 2 inches right now across the Southland. Now, those rain totals could change as we go throughout the day because, again, the storm is intense and it's dumping a lot of rain, and we're not out of the woods yet. Now, tracking the storm throughout the day, we're still going to deal with heavy rain. By nighttime, hopefully that intensity should die down as we go to bed, as Santa, delivers the presents. On Christmas morning, we may deal with some rain, but it won't be as intense as it is today. So just keep that in mind, and then we'll have rain for Christmas Day throughout the day, and that's going to linger on into Saturday. But I say, actually, today is actually the worst day of the storm. We're getting the brunt of it, and then that rain is going to carry over into Christmas. Then by Saturday, it should wrap up, and that storm system should be out of here. So stay weather aware, and make sure you stay off the roads if you can, and also stay abreast of your local forecast, because there still may be a possibility of more tornado warnings or watches depending on how the storm is operating and moving across the Southland. So